Hi everybody, once again, my name is Siim Täkker. I'm CEO and co-founder of R8 Technologies. Today I'm going to talk to you about how AI can boost your building's health, efficiency and transparency. So buildings consume tremendous amount of energy. In fact, they account for 40% of energy-related CO2 emissions. And we in R8 believe that AI will play and is already playing significant role in cutting the emissions significantly. In fact, in some of our buildings where we are already operating, we have reduced the carbon footprint by 30% already. So if we are taking it to account from like worldwide view, then it will play like tremendous role. So what is the problem that we are solving? The problem is that modern buildings are complex. They contain thousands of data points and components, and it's basically inhuman to keep on track that all the systems are always running at the best performance. And if there are like inefficiencies, then it usually results in poor indoor climate. They will consume more energy than they should be, and the systems wear off will be faster. And if there's like a facility manager role, if you're wearing like a facility manager hat, then it's always like running this like modern building, looking at the mirror, like what happened in the past and trying to make the assumptions based on it. Highly like you have a lot of like service providers whose work it's very difficult to validate, keep on track where we are heading, and basically the building itself is not providing any data to make better decisions and have like a transparent overview. AI in the controversy can actually help to run the complex modern buildings very well, because it's very good. The software is very good at doing repetitive tasks and making a lot of calculations, monitoring that all the systems are running like the way they should be. And artificial intelligence can ensure that all HVAC components in your building are performing efficiently, meaning that they will provide the required indoor climate. The AI can help to monitor that all the systems are performing as optimally as possible. So we have actually a solution that we call R8 Digital Operator, which is basically like a cloud-based solution that can set up remotely. And once it's set up, it starts to read and write the data to follow that the building is achieving its key performance indicators, which is basically energy efficiency, comfortable indoor climate, and it has well-performing technical systems. That's the target of the AI. So R8 Digital Operator, in fact, consists of two main modules. One is Diagnostics and the other one is Autopilot. Diagnostics, main idea is to check all the data, analyze and find faults. And if the fault is found, it will send out it as a task to technical service provider, and it will validate whether it was actually completed. Autopilot, on the other hand, is a little bit more cooler thing. It actually looks all the time if all the systems are running efficiently and writes the new values to the set points to find the most optimal, to ensure the most optimal efficiency. I'm gonna show it in a little bit more detail. So just the diagnostics itself, it's basically like a data-driven fault detection. Up to date, we have found over 50,000 faults, and some of the faults are brought out here, basically pointing that, hey, there have been some indoor climate related issues, some valve leakages, some system is not behaving the way it should be, and that means that it's like a task for technician to go and fix it. Autopilot is like this kind of autonomous software that is always running in the background and checks 4 times per hour if all the systems are running optimally. It considers the user's real-time feedback and adapts to the feedback and makes the best parameter selection for the future, considering what happened in the past and how the future will look like in terms of energy prices, weather, etc. Up to date, this module alone has saved over like 6,000 tons of CO2. Here are some case studies. For example, this really cool office building in Estonia that is more than 25,000 square meters large. It has Siemens flagship solution. We really like Siemens. It's like a very good base solution where to build upon our solution. And in this project, we took the automation system data, we took the billing information model data and merged it all together to find the most optimal control parameters for the systems. And we achieved by doing this over 30% of energy savings. And on top of that, we actually improved the indoor climate, like comfortable indoor climate from 60% to 90%. Here's some more examples of our portfolio. We are interested in modern and large commercial buildings that are either office buildings, hotels, or shopping malls. And we just add this solution remotely to the system, and it starts to find the best optimal parameters for it. So we have very unique value proposition that actually software can achieve if it's very good software, and we are very sure that this software is actually achieving very good results because we can offer to our customers 100% money back guarantee. That's how sure we are that it's actually providing results that we are promising. So just our company numbers, we have a little bit more than 20 people. We started this like more than 3 years ago, and today we are already moving towards like 6 different countries across Europe. For example, Portugal, Netherlands, Germany, Finland, Estonia, and Latvia. And yeah, thank you all.